So welcome back guys, Cradiac has yet again launched an amazing new city bicycle. It's a true gem with impressive specifications, all for an attractive price range. So if you're seeking an outstanding fusion between value and performance, I present to you Cradiac's latest creation, the Cradiac Stinger 21 Speed. Here you go. The Cradiac Stinger comes with a really cool 18.5-inch steel frame. Now this made it very easy for me to climb up hills and go down really narrow paths. Let's talk about how awesome this bike looks. The bike comes in a black and red color, and it has really cool designs on it. It's almost like a super stylish work of art on wheels. The bike comes with a suspension fork that works really well on both muddy, bumpy roads and smooth paths. This makes it very easy and smooth. Cradiac has added the 21-speed Microshift drivetrain to this bike. Now the changing between the 21 speeds is done by the Microshift shifters, which are made for exact and quick shifts on any trail. Moreover, the bike has two variants, the 7-speed and the single-speed variant. The 7-speed variant, however, is equipped with the Shimano drivetrain. The Cradiac Stinger comes with a 620mm handlebar made for a comfy and roomy riding experience. It guarantees a calm and pleasant ride every time. The brake levers are alloy. The bike is equipped with dual disc brakes that handle braking really well. Now I found that these brakes provided me with a very safe braking experience even during sharp turns. The Cradiac Stinger is made even better with its easy to adjust Ergo PU saddle. Now you can quickly and easily change your riding positions to match what you feel is comfortable and how you ride. The bike's front hub comes with a convenient quick release feature. Now you can quickly and easily remove your front tire. In case of a flat tire, you can fix it yourself if you have a spare tube. The bike is equipped with a BB set with buzzer seal bearings. Now seal bearings provide reduced friction and enhanced durability while protecting the bearings from contaminants like dirt and water. The Cradiac Stinger rolls on a pair of nylon tires. The carefully designed tread patterns allows you control over all terrain. The Cradiac Stinger boasts remarkable features that provide an outstanding value for its price. So if you're seeking a reliable ride for your everyday journeys, choosing the Stinger could be a smart and gratifying decision. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you've enjoyed this review. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions. For more details, click the link in the description below. Happy cycling!